What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my ab workout. It's 6 burning ab workouts for you guys, and I'm going to leave the reps that I recommend. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start off with the India Love taps, and I call them these because I first saw India Love doing them. I really don't know what they're called, and these target the bottom, lower abs, and make sure to keep your core engaged so that you feel the burn. The next workout is the Cocoons. This targets both the upper and lower abs, and when I tell you these burn, I am not playing with y'all. Make sure to squeeze as tight as possible and don't let your feet touch the ground. And in all of these workouts, you want to engage your core and feel the burn, and that's how you are going to get your results. The next workout are bicycle crunches. Everybody knows how to do bicycle crunches. They're simple yet very effective. And as you can see, I'm engaging my core. These can be cheated, so don't cheat yourself. Next workout is the Russian twist, and with the Russian twist, make sure not to use any weights because that will bulk up your abdominal area, and these target obliques and really go to work on them. Makes your waist slimmer and, you know, do all that stuff. The next workout will be leg lifts. This is my ultimate favorite workout of all time. Y'all. This will target the lower abs, and make sure if you need help or anything, put your hands under your butt, and that will help you to, you know, do the workout a little easier. But it's not gonna help you cheat, that's one thing. Engage that core, y'all. The final workout for this video to get those flat abs are scissor kicks, and these are killer. You can do them both up and down and side to side, and these are also targeting the lower abdominals. And as you can see, I am dead after filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe and like my video, and yeah, see you guys in my next one. Peace.